Nanaja Eukubia. Aha, Xposed GH. Please go to our YouTube channel and subscribe for us. Xposed GH. Facebook and so Okawa and Xposed GH. Now I like now I follow my over YouTube so I know I share my and a neat proofing Anna Asomas neat proofing say bra now ni omo embe emedija or your promo fiti and there a copy December sell co na sell co materials nibia materials, it's everything about roofing. So, or not as ever penko for ammo, akakoye, whatever you bought their materials for, maybe baby of you won't pay for workmanship, right? And see a neat roofing kwana sa promo way. Ubenya or number and a was say when it's now for number now from now new edit and I think so per se or best sponsor yen programs and sample open say yen be cover wedding be and sorry and say be a year pa dwumadie bia person ye di bia ye numbers so e wase ho na afa na afrɛ asema abani say Black Sherif and Kweku the Traveler, Kweku the Killer, and Blacko Sherif. Enna, the Honsensem, Abana, Assembly, and say, Black Sherif every using album, nani album, no, and you like a new one, a task, like me, Casa, me, job songs, any beautiful and emotional songs. Kwane on albums na ne album we no enwum bi na e wo so no e na akwakofa asem aba bebu enwum na America wasem ne o si all paradise na sami we luxury etrema or yes sami we e the manifest love and also say embra owo high school ni girlfriend and no ni wo at the time na otrema girl no efri mu embra oba be ko form 3 no e na owu a okrade a enkwa entiminji ebefa ababa we ema ni wo no eye ne ya ema endempo na enya ifi enum 5 good years no Black Sherif just say onsumi enja ababa we hu adwendwen ema enum ti ode atro enum enti enum na waye no ena kwakofa nsensem bebre aba chese enum no krampo no hwe mu a wamfa obi agin anhye enum mu nanso se wuti a wumi se oto nyum no ama odofo na during interview and Black Sherif said and you know oyema abayo and time no at a time remember no was 16 years no the first love no ye enum ne man no and I say offering inside ya and bright ya re ebeto ni school hono mo no ko high school SS and see yare ne buy no kofo bebre ni wu ye Black Sherif campo or trim one kofo bebre mo ni dormitory hono ewu ye e man girlfriend ni so owoyi ebi eka no enti eno na odi aye new say odi kai ababaawa no anampo say odi hye na munya na wei na ababaawa papa an koti asem ye o se dem pa se anfa retwi ni nchebe wan hye da anti ase ye san eno no anye ne de aha anye papa no de e ma wa grant interview na during the interview no papa ni tra o say ne ba no wuye no eye abranti bia amba yi ni ti se o eja me ne oba ba yi twempna ana se e bia eja jibibi kakra na o ye masew ana se bibi mpo lash eye papai etrema eye Clementina baba wa ni din no Clementina eye Black Sherif ex girlfriend first girlfriend no ye friend Clementina enti Clementina papa etrema the ban one or ye under age ena Black Sherif claim say on any train na time say no crown pono kwano issue afen so one fast can ba am be boa meto adaka ensie o suppose girlfriend one be yesa papa no so etire mu ani ba no eni ni di nkomo bia so ne ba no anka ntire ni say obi a daddy mo boyfriend and I say we papa ni tire mu a it's on brave mpo bisa ne ban say me ba wo mpna na ne ban say oh that is how you say me go school say me go sua ade boy put there me dey yede enti papa ni tire mu a no odi ne ban di na ne ban anka ntire ni say oh boyfriend enti for Black Sherif to come out after 5 good years of the ban wo no make say me girlfriend and I mean any mama no I face one day this permission and fan country papa ni say eja maybe the oban air bonu and other the banner bonu and other the banner air disika and see papa ni train mu he said you can go as far as saying say Black Sherif any me banny won't be because papa ni say other the banner call hospital na the banner who ye ama doctor mpo a discharge no enso na ni kan say under ho na adenche na omomfa ni kofi adeche ya ha machi no e na ne ban mu ye nti ni wo no mpo no onte ase na sa papa we oye Dickin Emma Pentecost na answer na ewa ko share video no any immune sense o kan sem bebre but answer na ewa ko share video mi wo mi ntem ewa ha ni say eye efo kent and one kasa my favorite person efo kent na me no e ba be di ho enkomo because papa no chire mu a Black Sherif ed ne ba no Jessica ono so asike ohun eni so afen so ne ba no na oye under age and o claim say no oye girlfriend enti ye wa betwetwe asen we hu komo na ya hwehwe Black Sherif ayenum why hit songs and yet all paradise na the first song why would this man even say or the nebano pay fame and I say or the Jessica enti men say Brenna this man kai will say corner cost subscribe Emma a YouTube channel no Xposed GH call Facebook and so Xposed GH Twitter Xposed GH Instagram Xposed GH please like and follow for us Efo Kent me ma kwaba and Efo asem we die imagine say oba na okay me fans so because we dey yan adepa until the papa we ni ba ewu 5 years na obeka say the ba ni wu ye no yan brain sika and according to age no na say Black Sherif can no 16 years right 16 years that time on year you mo sika no e won fa na obeta adaka.
Okay, answer number 2. You know, I have to send my greetings to all Xposed GH viewers. The video I feel for more be money of them and leave more. I can call me Omega. So I want to wait my friend Efo Kent. Me share more baby. I send a menu back. Now we'll share a video on mine now. So like it. More be so interested in nature or dream. Yeah, but now I kasa na chesi answer for a opportunity be any yenya any heading. Bobo yen actual. Answer na meti asem. Video ya trending for the past few days,
Yeah.
For the past few days now, video ya trending. My imagine say I don't want to give my attention to it. In a way, the Michelle Papa said, "Come on, I don't know, Bemo will be. I think come and be seen him. No, so I can something or behave like I tell we are in the box and he's thinking outside the box." And no or they reply and I would someone one answer the back of the video. But you see, he was saying he said a small girl is young. See, if we are all being honest to ourselves, SHS that we have all been to SHS. Yeah, you call SHS. Only 90% ACY. Yeah, you dating from South Form to Form 1, you call Form 3. You too many guests no cry I'm fair no. And I say it be best we couldn't even have sex. Young call mama or kiss me hard money. We couldn't even have time to have sex until when we completed. Though some people went on and did that, they went outside and do all those stuff. But I could do SSR, especially in their body, they become as if said they own themselves. They act as if themselves some own them. Last Sherif, or yes, but at that stage, or yes, about a year, he can never do that. And all of us, opening him say the Baku square Jenya or boy be a friend and a boyfriend, or a girl be a friend and a girlfriend. But most of us we couldn't even have time to date to have something intersexual with these ladies.
Yeah.
A lot of us we couldn't. It's Papa Iba say Black Sherif did Ibani making film. Black Sherif came out making film through his songs and his talent. Akulana didn't know they recognize it. Girl no. Girl no, they recognize and say, "Hey, being born at that moment, me born life now. At least I call somebody my girlfriend, think they say he baby school near DJ and one." As a young boy, Black Sherif, though he has been, but one thing I had about to do. Even though time about when him say I no ba do. On him so boy we can go be maybe on so be ya teeth bi na on the girl na na. And at the end of the day, the girl lost her life. What I see him say, I have tried like, let me remember this girl. She was a friend. Like, I remember when people were using me to tease her, when some seniors have to punish me because of this girl and all that. And the girl, the crowd was bullied. Simply enough, this guy did not mention the girl's name. And Usher Black Sherif, girl need the NAA hit. Even though I mention girl need you. And any interview no plan you beside and kofupo go school ni be private church on my Twitter page, Instagram page, ni Facebook page say, oh come on here, no na black shall we go with them. Said they away no Obama because I was a senior by then. Now me peg girl me again in Benin, me person me found punish black sheriff and all that. It is a job be interviewer. Oh me bang oh na me name will be one same for la post ni adia. Ye name the buyer. Kolakos come you mechinko. But you can't say that Sherif is making money out of your daughter. Come on. That is so whack. And that is below the belt to say that Sherif is making money through your daughter. As a way to come on. So Papa no, whoever interviewed him, on film says no interview has made money rather out of him because a normal come during the children. Today he is not being seen as a Pentecost counselor because the other one so a deacon kasa say, hey, wow.
Okay, for me, I don't blame the man that like me blaming Papa no. In a way, journalists for you in particular, you're very very cunning. You are one to. Sometimes the way they put the questions, because when this I say, eja we okay so do bana boy ni. Obi a ka se there bi ana me boa. So when this I say,
I will never say no. What will I say
nah,
no?
but like for we are okay say do bana. I say yeah, the guy say he was hitting him where it's really striking to say things. And I feel so cramped. Black Sherif can say those days, like you said, those days. So the and then I'm on you. But those days, no.
You date without having
like,
time to.
You just feel
you just feel like Obi has Obi or boy or girl.
Boyfriend.
What to make us know when we complete it, we have grown, so we do whatever we do. So what are you talking about? So the man should be realistic. Normal, sir, Pentecost at the quiet life, you know. Yes, in free.
Oh no, please don't.
No,
say
I'm
that.
just telling you the truth. Pentecost at the
quiet.
You see, they act hypocrite. You see, let me tell you something. These are Orthodox churches, no. Sometimes, once a one-man churches, and I am fan say, okay, current churches, charismatic churches, now about recently, they help. Like, Omuman Kolanu who reality. Into what church that pastor need preaching about relationship. No church say, oh yes, I say never you. They let them know that this is.
Who said Pentecost? They don't teach.
No. Let me tell you something. I mean, can't someone teach you.
Okay.
But hypocrisy in it does. I said, Sadi and Kolani here, Enna. If you allow me to talk.
Hypocrisy, I was sorry, in fact, it will be a religion, so you can't say.
Deacon, you see, you were saying he's a deacon. Or Cassette say, when him be a cost where SS. You understand? Or Cassette say,
paid.
He's paid for what he's saying.
No, they say he's paid like any other.
How can you pay?
In a way, I understand. I said.
Why you start understanding?
No. I said, what's not how how do you even say?
To be a baby. Oh, I can make a friend and make tea brush everything. Because I brand you one if I knew how to the everything. Who be necessary will bet you, will bet free. I will be a kaya who mama. I like what are you talking about? Akolani, were we here to make a funny about? Is it Russia who killed the girl?
It's better you let the sleeping dogs lie. Nipa lewu okọ ebi kwa ni papa ni 5 years ni resi ne ho wa ba be bonyu e ma obi atagi no Clementina then so papa no asa kai ni ba ni bu na eye ni ya so in a way like I get it but for him to say or the bani energy scanning there na because Black Sherif is okay. I mean after Kweku the Traveler it was a whole hit. You just say he made a lot of money out of that particular song. And yet all paradise and every man have been done. So there, no, he is wrong there. But for him to say, one be patch or never pop, some of you. Also one babe.
You know
Then I
something?
can't be your bed
You
dog.
can do whatever you want. Because send your oil, you can't call Casampa and if you can go through wherever these videos are roaming at, people are just commenting ill about the man, and people are like, come on, man, you're taking this boy to the court for singing for a lost child. At least the guy said he's a girlfriend. Girlfriend. What is the
But don't
perception
you
about?
think Black Sherif might actually be behind her death?
Oh,
Maybe
no,
another
no, no.
man can
You see,
breakthrough.
don't talk about that. Like honestly, Apolana Baklava Bonnie, but you see, I don't expect you to even say
Oh no
this.
no no! I'm just. It was just a
It
question.
shouldn't be. I know it's a question, but sometimes question who I am person baby say I say obi tu na bia onyonko bi wu na maba. Ma bi say ana na okum. Do a question, do person who no crap. At that moment you ask me na who na okum adam for right? In some way. So who ban up the cassette? To person you say Black Sherif. Oh come on. I feel say you see, I mean so nka ma ahwefo akɔhwɛ video na ba ho. I just want to be person creepy a
Okay.
as I say, I've got to miss ahwefo means so on
All right, Auntie. Yes, I'm Breno. Young corner and share video ni bra. You share video ni ba. You bet once.
Krementuno befia ni suban brema ha echinchin wom ensanum bi wom ode ne ho bo agro bi a na wo papa no wo mpe a wo ka no nti na ne suban ti sen wo fie
no kwasem ne me ameto me ye Pentecost aso panyini
okay
me ye dikin eti me wo me ba ne de ne to Pentecost asori ni eti Clementina nya obi asebe opie se ye ko club se ye ko wanya bi da ofri school ba o ma me ye saloon e wo krofrom oto o ma me nchen a won ko ba bi a so be ko ba bi a o ma me nua baba ko ye barbering shop eno o ma me ye opposite ofri wa na wakotena ho
okay
ofri ho a no abo o ma me ho eti sa akora no e pia ko ba bi no ompie nko ba bi a cause opie ko ba bi na me meti a onim de meye no
na woni ne din komo
me ni din komo me ni ye free wo ye madamfo wo ye me bibia wo ye me ba a kire sa akora no no odamakoma so a no no so edamakoma so
wodi ni ko school a oba fi first term second term third term ebi a mini okodu form be no do wuye no
o ko form 3 no
iti form 2 no mo no ono wodi nkomo a eja wodi din komo bebre wan kan chiro se o boyfriend bi a school
wa me na no anka nkire m bi da
wo mbisa ne bi so da
me busa no na o se dade me ko school se me ko sua de me ye science student me pese da ache me bo brabo ko manim enti se me fa mpena de oye ma me nyina de enti no wo se me firi wachi ko fa be ma wa anye bi da so ye bi dia me dia akora de nipa de wo school a untimi nsan na chi bebre but me manim de ene se de na me si hu akora ne de me hu so wo mpena da
Pentecost elder say woda so Pentecost deacon say woda sori nne na wote say abranti bi se wo ba no wo firi mu no na ye ne mpena entine nne o hye ne numnyam wiase nyine hu say wo ba no wo no wuye no eye ne ya wo be fa ne say
de me fa ne say no kwasem ni wabu abusua na nimtia ade tin wabu abusua na nimtia akora no wo nani ewo agya ana sa wo mpona no so a agya na enna ehu sa akora no wo mpona no ana wo so wantimi ameka ankyire bibia ankyire agya ne say akora no sebe me mpona no ana se bibia te sa enu owu ye no so no mehu busua ni bia na mehu be ma bia amena me gina nim say me ne Clementina ena ne wo etwempona eti na ebia agiwe ana sesei mehu bi sa da enu bia so ameka bibia anyede ankyire me eti no kwasem se me ti asem bi sa no a o se me tu ho anamon na ba bia o se me di asem ni koduru no o se me ko
unim abranti bi efe no Black Sherif obonyum soja senache obonyum bi ati the whole world obi atie unim no ana wati ni dinda
Martin dinda ba me nim no na de o mu ni se na no aketo ayi ko school no a asem beto social media na me frɛ akora na buza se wa ko social media no se dada makọ na me se die no no se o se Black Sherif de Clementina abonyum na me buza mba ne se na Black Sherif no na Clementina de na o se dada enya ne hwe woni ne wo school ana me se oh woni ne wo school Kumasi Academy wo no se anen woni ne nyina ne wo school mo na se ne mpara no de dada me mitimi nkyere se eye no kura na se enye no kura
papa sisia no said ye wa waje atum se wo hu bi wati bi wafrɛ wo ba no kura so no so hu bia tibi akɔba ne sɛ Black Sherif si wo ba no wo school no na ɔno ne twempena na yare bi ba Kumasi Academy ɛna ɛma wo ba no fam wuye ɛyade ɛyɛ ne ya na wo ba no da na koma so sɛ na nkɔpɛ sɛ ɔbɛware no Black Sherif si ɔno ɔyɛ zongo boy ba na nkɔpɛ sɛ ɔware wo ba no na ɔno ne bɔbra wɔnyi ne nim amfa nkyerɛw time we no de ndwum de aba abɔnten ndwum ne hit no ɛna yɛ busuafo no yɛ te sɛ wo papa no anaasɛ mu fi sɛ boy no na kɛse sɛ ɔbɛfie bɛsrɛ mo kwan ansa na ɔde mo ba na abɔnwum
ɛnyɛ ndwum no a hit no a ɔde gi ne sika no ɛna ɛyɛ me de anaasɛ bibi ɛte saa me open sika ɛnyɛ me ni problem na wontime nkɔfa obi ba enkotwa nwum abra nipa ne nim ho hye
enye obi ba wo ni
girlfriend abra girl no na busu anim se wo your girlfriend yanya ne sama ne nyeye even though so dia akra ne kura bebo nyuma hu se akra no wu ye no wo abusua ofura busua mu enti ene me kɔ abusuafo nkɔ srese wo ma me kwan dia ene na maye na mo wo ntimi ankɔ ba bia ankɔ sre obi ankɔ sra sa akra ne papa o sa akra ne mama o na abusuafo o
deke mesel hwɛ nkomo ne edinu me munye de ababa we wuye Black Sherif for any boyfriend de yet to abontene say otofuna deka o de da wo ba no o ma yetu amuna sie wo ba no e ka obo we yie no wonye sika ketewa enti tam obo ka sie mo ba ne de mo ntimi anka nche ni so onjai ende no obo nyuma dance na mo kire say obu mu kwasea
obusa question na meyi wa no ana medical ka cho say akura ne wuye no ma hu be ma bia e ofia say o bremi sika mato adaka na say me ne makonta ene abusua ene hia ene me wife abusua ne hia ye me ana me kopa abusua e de koto madaka me ana me peska de ma abrantie we woni me wo fasefo yi ene kobo amana e wo breman asie ha
wasena ma
wa obi antimi anyi na nim ameka sese ya na sese me nim Black Sherif ni ba bia eti me ana me bo meka e ka me bo ye nya ketoa anamonim bi makonta akwasi minua ba akosu ati wa papa bi wo mu nyina ya we minua ba me di na chi na gina hoyi wo mu nyina ya we se me ana me bo meka ena me di esie me ba no na ye dai ena otimi fa ni din kɔbɔ nwuma abra wo maame ene ya jabra wonim ho hwe
wonya sure se wa tom di ni mamudin mo busua na gidin
enye abusua na agidin enho asem na meka se abusua na bagidi abusua na nyidi o nya ho asem na meka na emu kwaya ofa so a wode akora na epesika no ho asem na meka
sisi Black Sherif se ohwe me interview a minim se by now ohwe den onya
media sese no me pese wo ba na me ne betena se one ekwan ofa so a no se akora na ye ne mpena no o mekire me two ekwan ofa so a wode akora na twa nwum a wa magba abusua na amane ma me ana se agya bia amane no omra na o mekire mu nyede enkire me so kire me na to asom dia me ni problem na mo o kire mu na sa anto asom dia ene ye o se me di ni gina court na bi twa na damage
Black Sherif nyo bi all time o ta tutu kwan intine se wamba mimum bia ka me fi se etuo nkotwere de twere se bi wo bana nkasa kwa nipa no kaso pode wo wu na ne di ne de bon nwuma me fi se nka hadwen wo de chenye yi
se wo wu de na nye wo wu no wo de ni din bon nwuma pesika yi sa kwa no
onwu ni so de pesika on
sika no de pe se na sesi a ahiti asese akwa ni din eda social media ba bia akwa obi fra Mr. Bofo oba na sesi mo agidi o no eda social media yi ene wanyeska se ni wanyeska no so obi antimi ameka bibia ankyere me se ni bibi no enti so wotimi dia akwa na twa anwom na dia hete dia adeti no se me de o de ho
tell o expect sanka wasin to be no so hete dia ne skene bi so
onye mase
to be because ono was saying o bana ya ne mpena enti na nko be wasin to be to say o hwe say sika no onya na nkomfa bi mbre o
ne seven previous am to me didi
sure
me who Black Sherif na Black Sherif na mo seven nyo na bre me chop money me didi na mo medina wo say no amansa edwa so no
edin say ti o say me ti say ni ma bodi say wo fa Clement wo breman me tia wo me nwum na bia lumma mo bo Teresa eno how e say din say
edin a say no ne say akora ne nya wo mpena e na wo so wo ye wo mpena tu akora ne ko school wo ya under age e kwa ben so no fa ye be ye wo mpena akora ne wu ye no obusua ne bia na wo Black Sherif ne ye hu obusua yi mu say obi bi ni akora no nti wo beka bibia kire busua no obi ehu e na akora na wu a 5 years ni no and I catch was a cranny empra. And then I'm a person, many who say, a quiet crown of fast so yen emprano, or metre. I just had me met me a can pay any a cranny wound with him who be.
Dickon,
Papa.
what's the bit can the prince say, Brad Sherif, any Banu would be.
Sorry, Mecano.
Which him saying?
The tea made him say, what's the cranny on pana? A quabbas no fast a year wompana. And I hear crown of fast who you know a woman is school more dear. But your dear crown hospital no general and also and no or be say a crown woo. Even though crowd doctor is charging so community and no doctor no aka say Monche Adiachi and Amoko, Etia Homachina Mubefino as how much in one way a day. Woo ye. So the comments on a crown of fast young prime, and crown is who you know. One the Wokumasi Academy. Wama man who so power wama home, me man who the me answer the acronym di channel. It's a theatre I mean can't just acronym one movie.
About the pouch of the channel.
Oh, me any pass over tremendous a pass of Moodia, send your sabi. Yegina nipa.
Say, me tea, my befia, who shall me fear me tea. I be far Baba under 18 years in another. Nay, Chimia. Me patch over for same Frenchman and Family Police Station.
I can't 18 there was some do police station here too.
I know Bano Trimp and under 18 years in Channel. I didn't job us all the channel.
I didn't know some of the channel.
I didn't know who person with the channel. So the pouch would be channel or see no Bano Trimp and now wouldn't so bad.
Some American says so because some no say Thomas not Thomas so no was some of the channel there. But they was some the channel there baby was some didn't be a medina.
Beside Mwakaba and Xposed GH. Sister na mwaka control video number. Monfa mo adwenture any mo thoughts and so call your comment section hono money. After me sign air class say meet roofing and asomasne na me san so air catchers say please go and subscribe to our YouTube channel for us. Xposed GH. Now Facebook now I like now I follow Ifo and see Osha in all, Papa, he doesn't have the right to talk about.
No, he has the right. Because he has the right into the air interview. But the questions be or man, whoever interviewed him, man, come on, I think it's Pentecost, yeah, sorry,
Okay, can we take Pentecost out?
Okay, also I take
no, like you are just
no.
Of course,
I'm not saying a bad thing.
Okay.
I want to hear like Uncle na Emani who say at least some come back and say, you must walk Kasai by you take care. I say, Uncle Kayabe check layer too. I say, I know being for the friend of I interview Ben now here online because I know people who call him be like, a friend now, it's a Kolana Metunone. A Kolana new club to a player day. He's remembering a friend because of saying a girlfriend. Who now what friend Bonnie Quines who? And our band catch us on your virgin. You see, I said now can end a quite better soon. Our band found we. I will be Gina, what John get back the Obab on you. On who can you interview put no show loyalty say a girl now. Can would have known say a yes, a girl. So I want now Canada. And you see, I have this thing for viewers to also know. Black Sherif. You see, I have always keep wanting to say this, but I say this back doors in my room. But I want to say this publicly. You see, Black Sherif, then the manager and some other whoever is managing me right now. You see, people think that thing, but that thing is affecting the world.
Like what?
On any management, sad year now or year on any management here, the first management here, the guy, the thing keeps hunting him. To the public, oh, what try so very cover, but the guy, that thing is hunting him. And you see, let's put Jews aside. Ghanaians to also know this. Whatever he did to that management, in any other way of separate here, the guy wasn't right in the way saying separate here. And at all costs, that thing he will pay the karma for it. And then the man until soldier did they come, see, and women and say Aquanitono. Or told to say Obia. I say Obitano. So share Numana or told him to say Obitano be so. He's not okay. People don't know. Yes, you see, he has the talent, he has the gift, or the bonnet a fine. And with your because nobody can stop that. At the end of the day, he will pay for what he did to that manager. Ghana phone fan show with him. And Januna was said when I accepted, say, okay, I have something to pay for someday. I should move on. And no amount to me moving on. Like, though the guy is receiving fame, but that thing keeps happening about people don't know.
Yeah, I've thought about it too. I thought, in a way, he's depressed. I don't want to say that, but he looks like something is hunting
him. Like, and yes, we deep money bang by home.
Yeah.
But wow, guy nanka all rise it. Hey, guy no nanka all rise it in a good way, but when some you see the devil is so smart and life fame is something devilish to the extent say, why you care for almost say, who did then we as a partner on him talk?
It's true.
We need to feel freedom. Feel free mind in anything. It's enough for the past time, Nina, and no more too nice to be time. Obi ye say, obey ye say, obekoso. You see?
And even Crampo, it's like he's sad. Something
Yes.
is wrong.
Means that they come, say, Ghana food use autonomy. Yes, it's true, but this guy, you should put it in the mind. Send on him the manager first need break here and share that young baby, na fed your feelings say, hey, I'm not okay.
And the way he explained the explanation, my side, or say, fears. What are your fears?
Yes,
what are you scared?
yes. And honestly, time or two, sir, and you were your friend is saying,
who never felt.
share a whole crown of say it was depression he sang that song.
Oh yeah. Yeah,
He
I always
used
think
depression.
his songs
He
are
just
all
of Felicity and Kobe hard.
Yeah,
There be answer no management and you know boy in and no man can ever hit song. But later on now, when the management in Yasano, come on, see, the guy is receiving the fame. And I'm only losing your originality. It's ocean in one or person has auto hip hop, any R&B songs. But ocean one, or you'll be uncle to hip life, high life, kakra. Then you want to do now, the buyer hitting now. And you see one Ghanaians move to the song, but they say, baby, I want you are controlling him. Though he will go far. Honestly, it is true. But he will lose his originality. And that is what Ghanaians have to know. Yeah, Mark will only fame though, but now chassis no quite on any management in here. I give you a message when someone we are saying who never be perfect. The devil will try and find a way to cut you down, to hunt you down, and people should watch out on that on the guy's aspect. You understand? He's losing his originality too.
Okay, Efo is now a seer because in a way I thought so his songs are I don't know, but guys, when you listen to his song, don't you feel like crying? Maybe tell you mom the margin for some past sad events but anyways almost so need no and see to say that Efo kind say or issue be so any manage the first manager so yeah he should do so, okay, because we don't want to lose him. And I feel so send a me kind file comment me in-law no ni in-law we nya ni in-law no nesem na one okan found say the bano ni din or the and all that, or you just kind of put your comments down there. Now me sign so sure say subscribe my YouTube channel. Me din edit na najwa bye.
Mira, the we are in Sway Esifa Bay. Now a damn has sent swing, and then the one from me and shades the pa, their own fraud bill.
Sunny Santi, and I'm in front of it. A bram see there in ye. Let me jaw what to coin, and I may catch out say, Confine neat roofing system for no matter than you so my and I'll go for a quantum for my Tamaquafwa, or my than you share, then you.
Now, Mira, neat roofing system for some walking. A damn pan, a dance from one, tinchina ching, as I said, one, and some boy a dance from my end. Or
Uti, when him says he can't wire thing, and I will yard the answer. I was so yard the a bit in your chama we and unti, and I'm a share will say, Confine neat roofing system for Nanka, Omaya Jumay. Atia, Nansu Emui, neat roofing system for when Quandia, Ometani neat, the Amayan. Enti, a Kobani say, open woodwork, metal trust, rain gutter, rich cap, valley, IBR, IDT, DSR, any Piaka home they are, any not transfer neat roofing system company. Yamau free estimation, any free transport, and our friends so, your poor Danasumawa, a chaye pa. paa ɛne gye sɛm a Neat Roofing System Company ɛde aba ne sɛ wɔde promotion kyɛnkyɛnkyɛ paa na wɔde aba seesei de ɛfiri saa bere ɛkɔsi sɛ yɛbɛdi bronya bɛwie no woba Neat Roofing System Company akakye sɛ yɛnkɔbɔ wo dan soma wo a akadeɛ a wode bɛbɔ wo dan ne so pɛ ɛna wobɛtua ka na yɛdi w'akyi akɔbɔ dan ne so ama wo free a wontua hwee asaman kase ne mpatam Neat Roofing System for abɛbie ɔmonkrabata ne bi wɔ park so Protoa Station hɔ a store number 44 a yɛne GRA office ne di nhwɛ ne mu emu nkyerɛmu biara no frɛ Neat Roofing System for ɛwɔ 0553 817122 ɛna 0557 453973 Neat Roofing System ana quality is our hallmark.